Go ahead. Go get it.
It's gonna go round and round. Come here, CJ. CJ. CJ, wait up.
Don't throw him underneath.
Huh?
Good boy, CJ. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy, CJ. He's swimming. Look at your face. He's swimming.
He doesn't like the water.
He likes the water, but he's not used to it yet. You swimming? Why don't you keep your head above the water?
Yeah, he was doing that. Boy? He's doing it very good, but he keeps swallowing water.
Yeah, well, it's new. It's the first time. And with that now, I'm going to get him a little baby pool.
He likes water.
Hey, you can get your own pool. No, Mommy, I want to swim in the big pool. I want to swim in the big, right? Come out of this joint. Come out of this joint, Mommy.
You're not.
Come on.
Wee!
Oh. He's like, oh no. Oh no.
Did you take off his collar?
No, no. That's it. Let him come out.